Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a standby mode not working on iPhone. So guys, if you're using iPhone and have updated version of iOS 17 and want to use your standby mode, I'll help you how to fix this. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to open your control center here, and guys you need to turn off your portrait lock. So guys, if your portrait orientation lock is on, then guys you need to make it off, and guys after doing this simply you need to go back and guys open your settings here, click on standby mode, and guys you need to make sure that it is turned on. So guys, if off, then guys you need to make it on, and guys after this you need to plug in your charger on your iPhone. So guys, as you can see here, simply you need to lock your phone and guys plug in your charger, and guys you need to wait for a few seconds. So guys, simply you need to lock your phone, and guys you will see here standby. So guys, here you can see my standby mode is not working. So guys, how can you fix this problem? Easily you can fix this problem. So guys, first of all we will check that our standby mode is working or not. So guys, there is not working any standby mode here. So guys, simply you need to open your settings here, and guys maybe there is update problem on your iPhone. So guys, simply you need to click on software update, and guys you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. And guys after doing this, if still not fix your problem, you need to open your Apple Store here, select your gadget, scroll it down, click on more, and guys from here you need to find rotation. As you can see, simply you need to open your rotation tab here, and guys click on call, and guys you need to call at these two numbers and tell them your problem, and guys they will fix your problem within few minutes. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.